Okay, so hello. So if you're here, probably you have this problem where it's a text texture streaming pool or uh, or and video memory has been exhausted. Expect extremely poor performance. So if you have that problem, the first thing you want to do is to go in the asset that that is giving you problems. In this case is this character that I have by. So you want to go in the textures. In this case I have 3 textures. You have to understand which one it is. You want to double click on the on any of these textures that you see, and on here you see bias load bias, and you want to write a number. It should be at 0 at the start. As you can see, this texture for this character were all in 4K, and so you want to put a number. In this case this was the original texture, so I just go and put 4 on it, and it will shrink the image like that. And now you're gonna hit save and open the next and do the same for all these images. If this is not the problem that you have, the problem is also caused when you have too many things in your level. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.